Got him. Oh, I lost him. You got to really watch that line to pick up these bites. This wind's kind of got me messed up. Got him. Come here, buddy. Nice little smallmouth. The Z-Man TRD Ticklers. October 26th today. There you go. That's what we're fishing with right there. TRD Z-Man Ticklers. I got it on one of my homemade weedless Ned rigs, jig heads. And that's in the copper truce color, they call it. The day started out about 31 degrees. We're about 42 now degrees. It's going to go up to, I think, 50 some today. It'll feel pretty nice later. All right, guys, so I'm going to hit this hole back. I'm going to work my way back around the other way. So far, got a couple bites in that one smallmouth, but I'm going to change up the color. Same type of lure, TRD Ticklers, but I'm going to go with a minnow style color and re-hit all down through here to see if I can get anything else to commit that may have already seen the copper truce go down through. Got him. He's big, whatever. Oh, it's probably a drum. Yeah. Nice drum. Keep him out of the lay down over there. Oh, he let go. Dang it. He's doing a lot of flipping and stuff, but surprised he didn't cut my line. Might be another one out there. Got that one. Another nice one. It might be bigger than the last one. Alright, let's see if we can get you landed, bud. There we go. There we go. That's a lot of fun. A lot of people don't want to catch these drums, but a lot of times when it's this time of the year, they're going to be the majority of what you catch. There he is. Probably 3 or 4 pounder there. Let's let him go. Oh, wrong way, bud. There you go. So this must be the color they want, because I worked that with the copper truce ticklers and didn't get a bite through there. 2 casts with this and 2 fish on. One we landed, obviously, one got off. Got him. Another nice drum. He's a big one. That's probably the biggest one I think so far. Get you here, bud. There we go. Get you unhooked here. There. I got him on the regular Ned rig, but it's like a bubble gum on the bottom and a green pumpkin on top. Look how long. Ooh-wee. Letting go. There you go. All right, guys, we're at my second hole. Which I was hoping, and it feels like the wind is not as bad down here in this section, so that'll be nice. But with this hole here, I gotta wait out a little ways to get to the deeper spots. There's a lot of leaves out there too. I don't know this hole all that well. I've only been here a couple times, and this will be the second time I've only kind of fished the bottom structure, so I don't know what all's down there. I do have just a regular Ned rig head on there, a very small, light size. So hopefully we don't run into a bunch of snags. All right, guys, I went to a heavier, weedless Z-Man Ned rig head just to try to get through these leaves that are out there. I keep getting caught on them. When I do get my bait down through them, there's always a leaf or something caught on it when I'm bringing it back. So we'll try, see how this weedless setup works coming through here. Got him. That's a big fish. Probably a drum, he's not surfacing. Nice. A lot of fight on this guy. Yeah, it's a big drum. All right. I should have brought my scales, but I didn't. They're in the truck too. That's a nice drum. He wouldn't weigh much. I mean, he'll weigh a decent amount, but he's skinny. It's got length to him though, huh? All right, buddy, let's get you back in the water. There you go. Well, guys, we got a few fish. Four, what was it, 3 drum, 1 smallmouth. Hooked up to a few, couldn't get them in. But when your creeks are cold, like I said, it's October 26th today, and the creeks are going to be really slow for the next month or two before they finally shut down. Ned rig's the way to go to get them this time of the year. I think I'd have caught a lot more fish if it wasn't so windy today, but it was very, very windy. But the TRD ticklers right there, multiple colors, fish in a creek like this, small area, You're getting bites, you're catching a couple here and there. Keep switching up the colors and confuse them, and you'll catch more fish. As far as the Ned rig head goes, weedless, I didn't get hung up as much, but I still got hung up a good bit. I went through a lot of jig heads today, guys. But regular Ned rig heads, the non-weedless, I think you're going to get a lot better hookups. But the weedless ones, obviously, you're going to not lose as many of your lures and your jig heads. So medium light action rod today with 8-pound fluorocarbon line is what I used to get the job done. But yeah, make sure you get out there. I would say for the next month, the remaining of October and all of November, Ned rig head's the way to go. Come December, before ice up, I'll use a jig a lot, like a Bitsy Bug or something like that, Strike King Bitsy Bug or flipping jig thing, something like that, smaller for the smallmouth and the drum. But all right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and we will catch you on the next lake.